there's a centipede, right? And she comes like right outside her room and she looks right above her and the centipede's right above her.
Damn.
So that's why she screams.
Extra noses pounces on you, ooh, you're so warm. Couldn't help but notice your balls from across the floor. Noses are Nike, Wakito, baby, tilde, hee hee. Unzip so baggy as panto, baby, you so musky. Take me home, pet me and make me yours, and don't forget to stop me. See me like my little baby, tail off for your bulgy wulgy. Kisses and lickies your neck. I hope daddy likey, suzzles and wuzzles your chest. I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch, you think you can help me? Only 70.
Yo, what I just listened to, bro? What is this? I want to say this shit. This is so stupid. What the fuck?
Yeah, what do you mean it's good?
Yeah, I know it's good.
Fucking
It's a good
finally.
Oh, you did it. Good job.
Yeah, finally beat the level, bro. I was like so surprised I didn't die at the end because I always die at the end.